NasinuRugby, very good afternoon, warm welcome to Marcelin grounds here in Vatuanga for round 4 of the Vanua Challenge, Vodafone Fiji Vanua Challenge, proudly brought to you by MaiTV. A beautiful day for rugby as we see two big teams battling out here in Marcelin. And of course, first up the team list for Rewa, who will be challenging Ramsami Nasinu this afternoon here at Marcelin. The team list for Rewa, Yokombombose is of course our captain this afternoon for Rewa, and we have several other players including Pailato Tindaku and of course Aquila Bula, Kini Chochi Langilangi, Verniki Mbola Vudu, and of course Ipeli Mata at number 6. Open side is Romeo Ratovo, Apososi Tamata, Samu Valangi, Lesi Bulai, Levi Namuamua, Wame Ngaluvutu, and of course other Sili Tolu, Ratu Kalaveti Duikete, and of course Apinisan Deve. And of course with me as ever, the one and only former Fiji rep Koli. Koli, we have two great teams today, of course, battling it out in this Vodafone Vanua Championship. And of course, we're looking forward to a great game this afternoon. Nasinu, the early front runners after the first rounds. As Koli, take us through the team list for Nasinu.
Sebenarnya nama tadi ni Nasinu to kamakin na asiveli Rogoci na number 2 number 8 weli salu masi patalikin na number 3 8 ne vina iwere patalikin na number 4 uliviti na number 5 wedlock patalikin na malo na number 1 kapatalikin na number 2 tokakin na ochochi mbilo walu patalikin na pana pasa na number 8 number 0 eroni patalikin na abisai na number 10 to number 10 kadua alusio patalikin na number 10 karo alipate senibutu na center maika mau patalikin na number 10 kaba John Desau kapatalikin na to number 10 kelima.
Thank you so much, Koli, as we have the kickoff now for this afternoon clash. Nasinu with the great start to the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Championship, the early front runners, and of course now the first penalty going to Rewa to kick things off. Beautiful day for some awesome running rugby. We're looking forward to it. Nasinu have had a great campaign so far, and Rewa in this must-win match if they are to keep their playoff hopes alive, Koli.
Kandi na tuto ko original to na mata timin na Nasinu ngo ureda to ngo ndo na kana levu talanga ni ngone may na club may Newtown eratigo en mata timin na Nasinu kartubu kaya sarto ko bali na win ni Nasinu en maten ni lokolako maten ni rauni kapatalakin na en koronigito patalakin na en ikotolingito ko nortolo pinagate nortolo pa dita tal to ngani lokolako nigito me baka na bi puides or to sambi to may nangito sauti.
Rewa with the opportunity to get first points on the board. They desperately need this win, of course, for a chance to make it through to the quarterfinals in 3 weeks' time. And, of course, this is their chance to strike early. Nasinu have shown on the last 3 rounds that they are a team not to be messed with after that early upset defeat. Ramsami Nasinu defeating much fancied Northland right here 3 weeks ago. Not the best of kicks. There's a strong cross piece coming across, but the ball is still alive. And Nasinu with a chance to clear. High-hanging kick. I don't think... both teams have advantage with the win, but it looks like it's going to be a great day for some really great rugby. And of course, Koli, Nasinu, Ramsami Nasinu, the early trendsetters for the Vanua Cup, the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Cup, with that upset victory over Northland in the first round. And of course, now at the top of the table of the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Championship, nicely placed for the quarterfinals.
Iya kandi na todo ko goremba papatalakin na mata timin Rewa na tangki matanga sangay may dagautia bombota ni ruto siniwili ka pinakasaranga may baka na tangki ruto takaptu man mata sauti sinilo ko pinaka ruto tangki may baka tarira na mata ni tutong isuliberto na singani ko.
First set piece of the afternoon in the first half here at Marcelin Grounds. Of course, the coverage coming to you thanks to MaiTV as we see the 4th round of the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Championship. Communities, of course, families, this is a great opportunity for people to get together, enjoy some great grassroots rugby as we see the first scrum of the afternoon after that misfired line out from Rewa. And now Nasinu with a chance to clear the pressure from their 22 and, of course, get into Rewa's territory and apply some pressure. The Ramsami Nasinu team have had a great scrum over the last first couple of rounds. Got some big forwards, and of course they've been getting the ball quickly, clearing it quickly, and of course taking advantage of the opportunities, Koli.
Iya kandi na todo ko may pagkatalangan daritel to na mata tim ni Nasinu ne nanon to coach umboso ni mbi moyway ngo endua na turang sa experience to na coach kapatalikin na nabi bulo so logay kin na nabi si burubura no na coach to may nabi tim so may pagka na mata tim may India patalikin na nabi matimta na sa Asia yo ngo sa may tarato na mata tim ni Nasinu.
As we see the first scrum being packed down, Nasinu with the heavier pack. We'll see how Rewa holds up against them in their first set-piece play. Rewa have been unlucky in the last couple of rounds. They've had some opportunities that didn't quite go their way, but now, of course, Nasinu going down with that blindside move, trying to clear the ball early, but it goes out, and he was inside the 22, so the ref lets it play on. They're about 10 meters out from the halfway line, and now Rewa with an excellent opportunity to attack inside Nasinu's 22. They need to keep Nasinu in this zone, not allow Nasinu to break out and break free, not allow Nasinu to use their heavy forwards to clear the ball as the line out goes askew, and of course the ball is loose, and now Nasinu with the ball. They're over the halfway line. They got a great attacking opportunity. Kick from the base towards the center. Good take from the fullback for Rewa. He has men on the outside, but he decides to go for the kick. Long raking kick, but it looks to be out on the full. A mistake early there from Rewa, and of course this gives Nasinu a great opportunity to attack inside Rewa's attacking zone.
Totoo din na abuti lawar to may takabati ko na matatim ni Nasinu non tuture de meru to mbito ti ko may napolo na sana na non tulay ni sko meran di Vakarauwai ka virtu pa mamatatal tanga virtu na non tuilo ko ni gito ka ngarapiti ko na singa ni ko.
Line out to take place midway between the 10 and 22. Nasinu setting themselves up for a set piece move. Will they use their big forwards, crash the ball forward, or will they take it through the backs? Nasinu eager to continue this winning run that they've had in the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Championship. It's worked well for them. Lots of noise being made, trying to distract the thrower. First set piece for Nasinu. Ref says no, unfortunately, wasn't straight. This breeze is going to affect a lot of the set piece and high kicks this afternoon. It's all over the place, and it's quite strong this afternoon, Koli.
Kandi na todo ko me bakani la ko ningito ke denta sarabati ko may nalo manipita na matao sa uti inda reto nga ni indo na kaer orton na donga batal nga ngona dangi nelo ni dangi na dangi batal kina na biri ngarabia apa mota era sound no pang na biri mata ni dangi wala nga endo wala nga na tikina lelea ko elo ba wala nga na polo ko ba na kena la hotel na luto esa na.
Quite breezy up here in the commentators box as well, Koli, as we can see Rewa now with a chance to clear the ball. Ref is not happy with the second scrum of the match. And of course, Nasinu eager to dominate the scrum early and of course set home the advantage. Got a great crowd here this afternoon at Marcelin. Great weather. Looking forward to some great grassroots rugby where all of Fiji's greatest rugby players have started their career, Koli.
Totoo din na raki inda sarabati ko ni singa ni kuwa kata bina katuni singa butalan kena na kena munde malutu mena tangi kata ni singo ren dari tunga soran dar tal tunga sakit na tempat-tempatan di tangi lagu tu menangongo.
Gotta love it. Saturday afternoon for the Constitution Day long weekend. What better place to be than Marcelin grounds in Vatuanga. Nasinu coming with a big push. The Rewa scrum holding right nicely as they go for the blindside move, trying to keep the ball in play. Fullback under a bit of pressure. The Nasinu defense up there quickly. Nice clearing kick from Nasinu. Misfire there from the halfback from Rewa. Opts for the quick throw in. Looks for runners on the inside. There's a bit of space. He needs to find some support. He's running across field. The Nasinu defense gets him early. Good solid tackle from Nasinu. But Rewa still have the ball and an opportunity to set up an attacking raid. There's a lot of space on the open side if they decide to take it. The Nasinu defense is all scrunched up in the middle. But they're looking for the one-off runners. They have lots of runners on the open side. Rewa, if they choose to go that way, they are. But of course, the Nasinu defense there to meet them on that time. Good one-up tackle from Nasinu, but a good penalty from Rewa. And of course, the tap and go. He was in an offside position, that Nasinu defender. The ref is playing on at this stage with an advantage. They're on the 10-meter line, Rewa. They got a good chance to attack. There's a lot of speed out here for Rewa. Good cut in. Nice inside pass. Rewa have come to play this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. They're looking for opportunities, probing the Nasinu defense, using their big men to crunch the ball up. Now they're on the 10-meter line. That's a good shot, Koli. What say?
Oh, bakandu, reda nga disang ngon lemay ko naturangan ko. May baka upartat ko ng matasoti ko naturangan ko. E baka sartungan ng bulim-buli kay Rara na may nakormo.
The ball is bouncing and running. Nasinu have always capitalized on these opportunities. Unfortunately, that time, the ball went out on past the dead ball line, and they're going to reset the scrum. Rewa to feed, but this is what most teams have to be careful of with the Ramsami Nasinu, is their ability to counter-attack and score quickly, as we've seen in the opening rounds.
Ioko tikan dali sutali na tutol ni biro to may barita karto na matitim ni Rewa kaya baka karto wa marro binang na pol may baka ni berati mo nanuto defend na matitim ni Nasinu kaya rani orto ko to saragan na pol ay kinutuloy ni sko iyo na timin ni Nasinu do nakana nanuto nakukunin nanuto tatangumaki nanuto pon na tatakmay na bunoy lala kara ni orto may tango Vakarauwai kina nilolong nigi tur tuku tataga tuma na matitimin ni Rewa.
As Rewa with the advantage, and of course the scrum right here on the 10-meter line. Good opportunity to attack. There's not much space down the blind side. They'll have to go down the open. And of course, the Nasinu defense looking for any opportunity to turn that ball over and into attack. And they've done so quite well over the last few rounds of the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Challenge. As we see the ball being fed in, the scrum has held nicely for Rewa despite the big forward pack that Nasinu has been using over the last few rounds. They're looking at sucking in a few defenders. Nasinu disrupt nicely, but Rewa with the attack, a set-piece move. Dummy runners on both sides, a misfired pass. They still have possession, but on the halfway line, it's just a winger on his own. He's got a big forward that's a bit of a shoulder charge. Ref says play on. And now Nasinu back in defense. Rewa with another opportunity to attack. Reset possession, do another set piece. Nasinu defense that time open to the opportunity, not allowing Rewa to penetrate through the defensive line, keeping the ball behind the game line. But now the one-off running of Rewa is working, and there's an advantage to Rewa. For some sort of infringement, he opts for the wide hanging pass, and he has a run on the outside. Rewa with a chance, he cuts back on the inside, keeps the ball, has possession inside the danger zone for Nasinu. The Nasinu defense needs to reset quickly. Rewa looking for that opportunity. Lot of one-off running from Rewa, but they still have possession. Nasinu defense resets. Rewa still has the ball, and of course an attacking opportunity if they choose to go down the open side. They take the ball up, they're under the post with about 15 meters to go. Rewa hot on attack. The Nasinu defense sustaining this pressure wave after wave from Rewa. They're looking for any opportunity as they use their big men to bust through the line, breaking through the tackle. He has to be meters short. Rewa with an excellent opportunity early in the first half. The Nasinu defense, good pass from the base. He goes for the inside to the prop. He's so close. Now Rewa with the open side run. He's looking for runners on the inside. He manages to get an offload. But the Nasinu defense holding strong, Koli.
Iya, saan sila may pagkawaporta itong may namata sa utin na nung pasya ka ito ka na polo nang unin ni Rewang ko. Reda ko na nang padiwang ko, reda ko na nung beauty ka na mawiki na mataw. Kila pinakasartong ako na puno, imbitaga ka na polo. Meron di ko tirtuan, ni kilutulain ko.
Okay, the ref calls it up. Some sort of infringement. He's looking at the Nasinu players. Something happened in the last ruck, and of course this could be an issue for Nasinu. Discipline an important part, as we saw in the early rounds. If you lose players early, you eventually lose the game. We have an injured Nasinu player who's being treated by the medical team. And of course a good opportunity to get some water, as it is a great day for rugby. It's also a very hot day, Koli, so you know it's going to be a lot of water needed today.
Kanti na todo ko nangonong ko verto na matatimer ruwa rotongo me bakan itongo en angel Rewa apotalan kina na matatim Nasinu tongo na ruto sasa erto na sanga waguko aron timer ruwa o di birau men bakan dita ko di no na nararango bukan bulat kan bikim ni kene saran nando veitokoni may na matatim ni Rewa bikim ni kene saran may na koro en puno Rewa nimbul vinaka na boleh veitokoni tu may birra dorbo patalan kina bikim ni nesas bukan Nasinu en na kena tokoni tu may non rembul na dorbo wa binati na nonda veitokoni tu may yo singo binaka na singa ni kuwa do na gitu binata lang Robert tu na matatim Rewa yo nangono ko ndare manda na taban lang kay Sulia on do tulewa en alomen Rara.
This Ramsami Nasinu team has come into the Vodafone Vanua Challenge really throwing down the gauntlet to the other teams with that early upset win over Northland right here at Marcelin grounds during the first round of matches of the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Championship. And they've been on a roll ever since, and it looks like they've really carried the momentum through to the latter rounds and are clearly dominating the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Championship. Surprise package. So, of course, we're looking forward to it. And, of course, Rewa must win at all costs. There's no tomorrow for Rewa. They need to get the win today, get a chance to make it through to the quarterfinals. And this is their second great attacking opportunity with a scrum, just about 10 meters short of the Nasinu try line. They want to get in a good feed. They need a good platform to attack, take advantage of this attacking opportunity. They're going for the pushover. Very brave of Rewa, and they're doing quite well as Nasinu look to try and turn it. The defense of Nasinu holds on that occasion. They're still a few meters out. Can see the ball. Yes, of course, they're going to set up another rolling maul as a few of the forwards peel off and get ready for another round of attack. Is hands on both sides that opportunity, but of course Penalty to Nasinu, holding on. Unfortunately, he goes for the quick tap, trying to take advantage of the offside. Ref says play on at this stage. Nasinu still with possession, but they're deep inside their attacking turf. They need to get the ball out of there quickly. Nice high-hanging kick, doesn't go out, lands near the halfway. He's going for the drop goal, very ambitious. Not the best of drop goals, but the ball is still alive, and Nasinu have possession. The Rewa defense coming through on that time. Good clearing kick, ball still in play. The sustained period of play for both teams in the first half, as he takes it up midway between the 22 and the 10-meter line. The Nasinu defense has reset. Rewa looking for options on both sides. Bit of a slow pass, but he's looking for the corner. As we see the winger coming through, it's a one-on-one situation. Tries to get the goose step going, but the Rewa defense doesn't buy it, and they have chance. They strip the ball. They have possession, but unfortunately a penalty, Koli, to Nasinu on that occasion. Very unlucky for Rewa.
Ia kan tinatuto ko panamata timin ni Nasinu ina tutong isulberto na vinaka merton na kauta saramay ng polo ya me na yado saramay kin na nonuto ya sana me rawan ni na pakanti tegertutu na ilok ni kitong karabitungo ia ke bakay siya nga erto na uda nonuto sanga merto na wirimbay tato ka na mata timin Rewa nonuto tong kada katiuman na mata ni tangi go kapatalan kina me bakanir tong buto ko dalto nonuto ndelen soso.
Not the best of clearing kicks, but of course it does relieve the pressure for Nasinu. Rewa have been applying lots of pressure early in the first half, trying to catch the Nasinu defense off on a number of occasions. So far, the Nasinu defense has held quite strongly, and of course, we're looking forward to a great game today, particularly from the Nasinu first five, Lesi Bulai, who's been chosen to run the attack for this Nasinu team. And of course, this is their chance. Rewa once again, just inside the 10-meter line. Nasinu defense up early on that occasion. Ref said no, it wasn't offside. They're going to play on. Nasinu looking to spin the ball wide at any occasion. Tire out these Nasinu forwards. Rewa with the ball in a bit of an overlap. There's a chance down the far side, but the defense gets across quite nicely. They do still have possession, but they're inside the 22. But that's a good push from Nasinu on that occasion. But Rewa still have the ball. Runner was a bit high on that occasion, but of course they still maintain possession. And of course another chance to attack. Decides to go down the blind side, throws the dummy, and of course doesn't fall for it, but good, strong running rugby from Rewa. As we have the man, and of course, being tackled outside the 22, and now another big runner for Rewa takes the ball up, trying to get that through that defensive line. The Nasinu defense holding so far, as of course Rewa just pounding away at the Nasinu defense, and an opportunity on both sides as they look for the attacking run. Oh, nice dummy there from the first five for Rewa. He managed to get the flick on pass, but the defense for Nasinu gets across. They're still protecting possession, which is important, but they're making gains inside Nasinu's defensive half, particularly inside the 22. Nice soft hands. Unfortunately, Koli, that was just a little bit forward for Rewa on that occasion.
Kan tinatuto ko erida na mateni meker to may meke takato na dorbo ni Rewa satu to kan tinabang orida nirto meke takato ko na rounde yo may lenga walenga ni toso walenga bole ni liu walenga bole na pasya kaya ba kami andon tong lubina kan non andon to na mateni meke kaya ba andon tong lusangani kinalong ni mata-mata.
Nasinu will be looking to their captain Bosse, who's wearing the number 1 jersey this afternoon, to just ensure that they kept in check and not allow this Rewa defense to gain any momentum, and of course not allow the Rewa defense to break through. And of course Nasinu have done an excellent job here in the first half. Rewa have been watching Nasinu's games, and of course they know that Nasinu are very, very good at counter-attack rugby, taking advantage of mistakes from the back line, and of course scoring great tries over the last few rounds of the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Challenge. But now this is the opportunity for Rewa, and of course they need to get a good solid scrum in. They're still inside the danger area for Nasinu, so Nasinu need to get the ball out quickly, and of course clear it. They haven't been down in Rewa's half for quite a while. They haven't had a lot of possession, and now a free kick to Nasinu. Off for the quick tap, goes for the one-off runner, doesn't allow the defense to reset. Defense was offside on that occasion, and of course taking advantage once again was Nasinu. And of course defense and discipline a very important part of winning matches, Koli.
Kandi na todo ko ver na bi matatimi nakalalay wala sa so nang una ngay do lebi butun tagi muri en buku ni talalay wala sa nga ko may bakabunan na nanruka ni timi yo en matatimi Rewa na matatimi Nasinu wanruka na matatimi ni Northland o Northland wanruka na matatimi Rewa yo en nailokolakan ni gito ni sikani kwa kukunin gitu talaga sa sulit ko rewa re-rate ko erto na sanga merto na rawatan ng ganga kinna matatimi ni Nasinu.
The last time Nasinu was in this part of the field, their line-out wasn't working too well. Let's see if they fix their line-out issues. And, of course, we'll have to take a quick break for the injured player from Rewa. And, of course, an opportunity for both teams to catch their breath. It has been an exciting half of rugby. Both teams throwing everything at it, Koli.
Ya kan din ako konti na nagito kang karabit ko ko na Marcelin ground ka andare dito may nangunang ko siya nindo pero siya bakay roto bole na sa Rurua yo ndre ko may ndo e bakay may bakaw sa porta tuga ni ro na sa nga meron na pantita ko di eno na nararango.
Both teams are now set for the line out to Ramsami Nasinu inside Rewa's 10-meter line. Nasinu need to build sustained periods of pressure. Good line out on that occasion. They fixed their line out issues, clearing it to the back line very quickly. They got runners on both sides, Nasinu. And now is an opportunity for the Rewa defense to be tested inside their own half after a long break. And unfortunately, not releasing in the tackle. That's a penalty to Nasinu. And that was unfortunate for Rewa on that occasion, Koli.
Kan din todo ko yo kukuti ko na lolo gito yo sana po romerto na tangi ko tim Nasinu yo en via ala ko binato na tangi ko ni to na muri so buti na maten tangi yo en ngi botaw wana yawa ko en nang mi tanggeta na polo ko urital tu kan nila ko kan gito ni Rewa en tangi binagar to ta kabutung man mata sauti singa ni si redo tu berto en nurtung gito tu kan singa ni kuwa en rai erto nang gai bisu tambak kan to nang una en to game plan rai do tani bek na game plan to di bakit ngongo iyo na lokolo mantang di tangkir to kapitun mata sauti sa ndo na kana kena rai rebinak sarap tol tomaten gori na mata tim di Nasinu.
As the Rewa first five, Lesi Bulai steps up for an opportunity to get Nasinu's points here in the second half. They're about midway between the 10 and the 22. Strong cross breeze. He's going to have to give it a good shot. Good clean kick. And of course, Ramsami Nasinu on the board, 3-0. Munch against the run of play, Koli.
Iyo abo bauta na bukungan ni pointi sa arto may bitong gori na matim Nasinu sa ronin na bukan di tegir tutok na loko ning gitong ko. Apa na matitim ni Rewa na loko ning gitong karabito ko. En binaka merto na sanga. May bakandir to sa game bitong gori tulo na pointi na matim Nasinu. Merto na sanga na matim ni Rewa. Merto na bito talanga indo na pointi meronin na bukan di tegir tu. Sultan na birto nel nerto sanga tigo merto rota nanganga ina sikani ko.
That's an unfortunate mistake from Nasinu on that occasion. As we can see, the Rewa forwards are getting fired up. This will be their scrum as it was a miscalculation from Nasinu to retain possession after the kickoff. Nasinu with the early lead here in the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Championship, midway in the first half by 3 points to nothing. But of course, Rewa with all the run of play in the first half, lots of attack, lots of opportunities, and of course, the Nasinu defense holding strong so far. But now another set piece for Rewa inside the half of Nasinu. Their last scrum ended quite well. Nasinu clearly dominating over the bigger, Rewa clearly dominating over the Nasinu forwards. But a big push coming. Ref says use it, so they got to clear it out quickly. They're doing a set piece move, looking for runners on the inside, tries to get his hands free. Unfortunately, the Nasinu defense reads it very well, and of course stops that attack dead in its tracks. But now they're down the open side with runners on their far side, and Nasinu go for the inside chip. There's a runner coming through from the inside, but the bounce unfortunately couldn't work in favor of Rewa. On that time, Nasinu still with possession, but the Nasinu defense trying to hold him up, trying to get that scrum back. They just managed to get it to ground, see what the ref says, if they can play on, if they can clear through that mess. There's players all over the place as Nasinu have the possession and try to clear the ball from the base of the scrum. And of course, a lot of pressure coming through from Rewa. And of course, that was their best opportunity so far as the ball is still in play. Rewa still have possession. They're looking for runners on the inside. Nice step, nice pass. Rewa still have the ball and are going up through the advantage line. The Nasinu defense needs to get reset very quickly. They're all over the place. There's lots of space on the open side for Rewa to attack should they want. But that was good defense from Nasinu on that occasion. A collapse maul, and of course, now the scrum going to Nasinu. Nasinu defense holding, Koli.
Ia kan dia todo kon tona kana kuko ni non to virim ba itong manamata tim ni Nasinu kartu sangata nga merto na puantita kami non to nang gangani sing ni kuwa meron ni na dedicate gi non to kapitan ni ko ya mo mauti ko en singa mo rumbuka.
As we see both teams settling in, Rewa with lots of opportunity, looking for taking so many good chances, and of course just unable to cash in this Nasinu defense holding quite strongly, and of course Rewa will eventually need to change their tactics a little bit and look at other options to keep this Nasinu defense guessing, and of course preventing Nasinu from defending, and of course taking away much needed possession from Rewa as the scrum collapses. But there's a lot of disruption coming from Rewa, sorry, and of course Nasinu now with the clearing kick, but the ref blows it up. I think it's going to be a penalty to Nasinu on that occasion. You can't slap the ball down like that, but as you can see, Koli, Rewa disrupting Nasinu's fluid gameplay, and of course not allowing Nasinu to get into any rhythm.
Iyo may pagkausap tati ko nang tungol tu man matitim ni Rewa ko erto lang sanga merto lang bandita ka merto pagarita ka Nasinu na nabuno erto to kinongo nang kile Rewa. Iyo mana matitim talaga ni Rewa erto na pinangkata me na matitim Nasinu erto na pinangkata merto lang bandita ka go nabuno kito sa maitikin. Iyo nilakol ko ningito ko na matitim Nasinu erto na sanga merto na ko total to ko may napolong ko merto lang may ngito erto sana me pagka nakukunin kito erto ka titim ni Rewa ko kaya pagka erto na sini ko to man polo kinurto sana Rewa ni erto na liu na matitim ni Rewa kaya pagka erto na may tambakan to na puino.
This coverage coming your way thanks to MaiTV this afternoon. Beautiful Saturday afternoon. Great day for some awesome grassroots rugby as we watch some of the best and brightest from the future fly their train and get their hands dirty here at Marcelin grounds in Vatuanga. That's a good line out from Nasinu in that time. They want to clear it. No, they're looking for a set piece play inside their half. They're trying to break through this Rewa defense through simple grunt rugby, but it's not happening. Rewa defense holding on that occasion. Nasinu now on the open side have stacked it with a whole bunch of forwards. Looking to try and break through the game line, but the Rewa defense has read it well. And of course now they're going for the high up and under. Doesn't get a lot of distance, but good height. Gives everyone an opportunity. Nasinu, and of course, I think he was taken out on that occasion. Koli, what do you reckon?
Wow. Doon na Vakarauwai bulan tarida yo sa kukunin gitu ruming karabut kalau mati Rewa. Yo untuk pamina boleh buat nang gunung kami pakai sa bukan di tengah itu kalau mati Nasinu tolu saya ember ni wakai nama tim Rewa. Yo dari tunai kalau gitu ko dan sini kelan dia kalau aku nang elite bukan mati nang.
It was a close call on that occasion with the Rewa fullback, but of course the ref said play on. We played to the whistle, and now Nasinu with a scrum inside the half of Rewa for another attacking opportunity. But those high up and unders have worked very well for Nasinu in the early rounds, Koli. They've scored some really great tries and, of course, really upset some big guns in the first few rounds of the Vodafone Fiji Vanua Challenge.
Iya kan tina todo ko na lako ng gito may baka warta tung rimabe nang gito ni Nasinu pati kay Northland to na re-revinaka non to ang gito na matitim ni Nasinu kay na polor to may tambakati ko nanon to gito ya nanon to may shot ko kay na matitim ni Rewa ren reto kamero to li tambakan to sko bombo ta na matitim ni Rewa ko to sa huli man to tal na matasoti karto na sanga mero to na rawata nanganga en Rara ni gito ko Marcelin.
As we see the Nasinu sent Seru getting off for a concussion test. That's standard now in all matches as per FRU's directive to ensure the safety of players. Nasinu will get a fresh player on early in the first half as we see the injured player Seru being taken care of by the medics, and of course the scrum being set near the 10-meter line of Rewa, and of course Nasinu with an attacking opportunity. They got a lot of space to work with on the open side. Let's see how they go. Ref is happy with the setting of the scrum. Rewa with the big push trying to upset Nasinu, and so they have. Much against the run of play, Nasinu have positioned a tight head here at Marcelin grounds, and now Rewa with a solid shot, and of course that's coming through. Another big hit coming through from the Nasinu defense. The crowd really getting into it this afternoon. It's been a titanic struggle between these two big teams, both eager to stamp their mark in the Vodafone Championship. But of course holding on, and of course some tap and go from Nasinu on that occasion. Offside, the ref, temperatures failing a little bit. Bit of finger pointing. Great day for some awesome rugby, Koli.
Iyo, ito sa kaukawa ng gitong ko. Iya, antar dito ko niloloko ng gitong ko. Sa kaukawa. May baka ng gito, Robert ka siguro na Rua Iloma. Watalik na beira talaga ng daw ni Bito ko nono to kay tumba. Na kena kaukawa na nono tao. Cheta ka siguro nono ramate team.
The ref certainly has his hands full this afternoon. Both teams eager to get points on the board. And of course, he's going to call it, speak to the captains, give both teams an opportunity to cool down. Discipline, an important part of any great rugby. And of course, that is a penalty to Nasinu on that occasion. He'll stay with the penalty, but the refs are really mindful of discipline, particularly over the last few weeks. Koli, it's important that all players, keep a cool head. We're just trying to enjoy a great game of Vanua Championship here at Marcelin, Koli.
Kantina ena kukuning gito lago tiko nangunong ko na Romani Rara ko Marcelin pero na kapitan ni Rewa ena binak meron po sa kinanonro leweniti may pakandita kadtiko na nonra discipline na kena maroy tiko na Vakarawa ni gito nonra Vakarawa ni gito na Romani Rara merawa ni Rani Ruturawata kina naganga.
That was awesome. During that break, the Rewa team got together and had a quick prayer just to calm the nerves. And of course, Nasinu getting around their captain, and of course, just calming everyone down as we see now Nasinu with an opportunity through the number 10 list to clear the ball from the danger zone, get into Rewa's territory, and reset another attack. The Nasinu lineout hasn't been as polished as it was in the first few rounds, Koli. They've let a few go.
Yeah, kantina todo ko. Ertusangan may pagka-overtatuh may nalo manipit na gitu so nanon rasengan ni pang atak na to na puno ngole to mikin na yo dapat ni napakalebo ni Rao talangan ni rutu sakut na pola ertu ko tu may kinanon rutu ya sa ni Rara.
This is where Nasinu are very dangerous when they're inside the attacking half of the opposition and of course have a set piece play. They're on the 10-meter line of Rewa with a great line out, solid take. Ref says play on. They're going to unleash their back line through their big forwards. Ulniviti takes it up strongly, but that's a good tackle from the Rewa defense, stopping him in his tracks that time. And of course now they're inside the 10-meter. Good driving run from Nasinu, but there's no support and Rewa trying to win the ball back. And that is a good defensive play from Rewa. He opts for the quick tap, but the ref says no. Needs to calm it down. That was a good defensive set from Rewa on that occasion, not allowing the Nasinu forwards to set the maul and of course win possession back, Koli.
Kantina todo ko na tatako magbinak todo kaptum na matatim ni Rewa iyo kina matatim ni Nasinu eno na kuta na polo nduna polo binak kuta maya iyo mbera wala nga aborto na supporters.
That's true, my brother. You got to get in there to support your runner when you get tackled. And of course, the Rewa defenders were quite quick on that occasion, and now they're back on attack inside Nasinu's half with a good opportunity for a set-piece play. We see the Rewa forwards strolling up slowly. They don't want to allow Nasinu to set themselves too quickly, and of course, they have a set-piece play in their mind right now. They're going for the shortened line-out. The old 5-man line-out as they have some forwards amongst the backs to run the ball up strongly, but the ball needs to be won first. Scrappy on that occasion, both teams fighting for it, and it looks to be a knock-on from Rewa. Unfortunately for Rewa, unable to capitalize on that opportunity, Koli.
Iya kan dia todo ko endare to na lo ko dito to kaptong may saksaka ci ko lebo na to na timirurua en ken virte gina pol ko patalan kena en ken ngarabi na scrum ke bagaruton na wab na tagir to may na mulmulalay wala nga en rani na bom na tan to lo ko dito ni signi ko.
Rewa have really worked on their scrum over the last few weeks, and of course Nasinu with the bigger pack and have dominated big teams like Northland in their early first round victory. But Rewa have really brought it to them, winning a tight head. And now, of course, another opportunity to push the Nasinu forwards around. Nasinu really need to reset their forward pack and not enable Rewa a solid push as they try to wheel the scrum around, playing it on Nasinu. And, of course, they get the ball out, not very clean. They want to clear it out quickly. Good take from Rewa around the midway. And, of course, good defensive line from Rewa setting up nicely. The Nasinu defense setting up quite nicely on that occasion. Now Rewa with possession just inside the half of Nasinu and a chance to attack on the open side. Looking for those solid one-off runners once again, but the Nasinu defense holding quite strongly. Halfback switches it to the blind side, and of course Nasinu defense up to it on that occasion. Defending quite well. They're fighting for every meter that they can get this Rewa team. They're looking for every opportunity. But of course, the Nasinu defense holding once again. And unfortunately for Rewa on that occasion, another missed opportunity. And now Nasinu with a chance to clear their line.
Iya kan dia todo ko solid ko nang be Nasinu iyo ori to nila ko ni tangir to kapit ko to sanga merton na to sumay kinan to yasen Rara ile buna tangir to kapit ko isang ni yado sara ni ken nabunor to nama ka menado ken na tangya yo na binaka merton po na tagana sana ke ba merton binaka merton ko ta ken to lolo ni gito ko patalan ken merton na bitu talisona pointi meron nirto ba dita gito ko nila ko ni gito ko.
Didn't have much of an angle to work with, but he did get some good meters off that kick. And now Nasinu are back inside the half of Rewa with another set piece. They really need to set out their lineouts. They haven't had much success with the last two lineouts. So they really need to get this set piece if they want to build a good platform for attack. And of course, try and look for gaps on the outside of the Rewa defense. As of course now they're resetting their backline, Nasinu. They got a set piece play coming in. The winger comes in as an option for the first runner. This ref says no. They're gonna have it again. This Nasinu winger, Koli, he's had a great few rounds in the Vodafone Championship, and he's scored some really great tries.
Kanti na todo ko na botalangkin na may baka na nag-usara pati kumay na kung halfback ni mati timi ni Rewa na mata sauti na no nabibirya ka na polo ay redel to ngayon nilako ni kita sin ko dua na daw gito pero mati timi Rewa redel to na halfback o kuya bukan dita ka to na mati timi Rewa na lewapin na ka to na bibuno so ay pasa ka na polo.
Nasinu bit disorganized on that set, but they managed to reset themselves quite nicely. Halfback for Nasinu, getting his runners organized, getting Ulniviti involved early. He's always been able to break the game line for Nasinu, this big number 8 for Nasinu. And of course, Ulai ducks under 1, ducks under 2, but gets into a headlock. And I think the ref is playing advantage to Nasinu on that occasion. And it's of course classified as a dangerous tackle. And yes, he is playing the penalty. That was a dangerous tackle, so, fair to the penalty, even though he was ducking.
Yung original ko na natutong isulya, kina matatimin ni Nasinu, kaya baka merton na tangge, rito man tangan na buno, dami to ni kinungko, kaya baka rito tangge, bumbutan na raw ni na kautatakital na kinutukay, nagay baka tao pero to na matatim.
It did look accidental from the Rewa defender, so that's a good call from the referee. He's just giving a general warning, keep the tackles low. It's been a good, clean game of rugby here at the Vodafone Vanua Championship. And, of course, we're looking forward to many more great rounds. And it was accidental, but, of course, now Nasinu with another opportunity to get another couple of points. They're just on the 10-meter line, right down the middle of the Rewa half. And, of course, Ulai will now try to extend their lead. And, of course, keep building. And, of course, all the early pressure in the first half coming from Rewa, Koli.
Kanti na todo ko. May baka ang rito nila ko ningito ko eran daw kaya yung kimanray na non rusa na matitimeruan ko na non raw tatang gumaki watalikin na non ruto ko talaga timana pol.
Ulai had a great kick earlier on, and, of course, around the same distance as well. This time the angle's a bit easier. He's straight down the middle. But, of course, the cross breeze will make it difficult for Ulai to get his kick successfully across. We'll see how this one goes. And, of course, this will be another chance for Nasinu to extend their lead over Rewa. Rewa have come out today, all guns blazing. It's do or die for them in the Vodafone Vanua Championship. Good, solid strike. Does he get it through? Flag goes up, and, of course, Nasinu extend their lead. 6-0 over Rewa, Koli. Much deserved for Nasinu.
Totoo na non ruto mo katulewa na matatimin Nasinu na non ruto Tanggata na polo sa naitutong iya, rani ko talaga na kinutukay, kinawono, siya nga tigo na matitim ni Rewa, may baka ni Renre, tigo na natutong kata, tigo na lain ni tatang gumagi ni matitim ni Rewa, manding binakasaranga, natunting binakasaranga, nirutunting ta, kamerto tanggata na polo, siya naitutong iya.
Advantage to Nasinu for that knock-on. It was a great high-hanging kick, but of course now Nasinu's attack starting to make inroads over Rewa as they look for the opportunity. Ulai with the chip and chase, defense reads it well. And, of course, he managed to run away. He's running backwards. Ulnivit is after him. Tries to get the ball away quickly. Keeps it in play. Nice step, but good tackle. Ducks under a high one on that occasion. Ref has to call it. And, of course, Koli, the dreaded double blast of the ref's whistle. Looks to be he's reaching in his pocket. Might possibly be a yellow card. First one of the match for today's game, Koli.
So, litong gori endo na Romo we ko na non to wing na matatimin ni Rewa abang bauta na timin ni Rewa na to kapitani kapatalakin na kapitan Nasinu na ken na ron di bukan ditagitigo ken na lewini timi sa ko na discipline na lo ni Rara.
Now Nasinu with an opportunity to really cash in on the points. Rewa will be without their winger for the next 10 minutes. And, of course, that's going to really affect their ability to defend on outside on the flank, as we see the player being sent off, Chone Kurusinga, the 14 for Rewa. Now Nasinu with a one-man advantage for the next 10 minutes. Let's see how they cash in. This is the first set piece. They're just outside the 22 of Rewa with a chance to fire a set piece play and a one-man advantage. Line out as well. Ref says play on. And, of course, now The Nasinu backs getting into it. Nice pickup from the Nasinu winger as he looks for the man on the outside. There is a gap. He's looking for the defense, gets across, but no, it's not going to be called. It is out, unfortunately, but that was a good set-piece play from Nasinu deep inside the attacking half of Rewa Koli.
Totoo ka ay ramantangan ando veitokoni mattim Nasinu do na kanon talita kay rakila na kana turbo ko dito pagka pola do na kanon rakaila pa kayo totoo din na re-ni di da kapag na turbo ya iya koko tal tunga may nanutu tatang kapag na mattim ni Rewa iyo pero to na mattim Nasinu do na kanon to sanga meron to la dita ka tigurto en meron to may tiko nga en nanutu sen Rara.
Rewa defense up. They look a bit tired. They're going for the long line out, and unfortunately, he just misfired it on that occasion. The ball is loose, and of course, both teams fighting for it on the ground. It's an advantage to Nasinu. They're inside the attacking half. That was an unfortunate mistake from Rewa on that occasion, looking for the long line out pass to be taken by the number 8, but unfortunately, it did not work out for them. And now, Koli, Nasinu with a set-piece play deep inside the half of Rewa and an opportunity to gain more points.
Yo veruto na matatim ni Nasinu erto na sanga meruto na marro pinakala polong gori erto marro taltungan erto discipline en ilako ni gitu me kartu sa tos tartungan go na erto esen Rara kartu sa renta sartungan gori reda botu sartunga erto lain sko matatim ni Rewa na erto tatanggo magito ma erto na sanga meruto na tanggo maga erto esana meraw ni na kwa ko ni leven do na ngona merto na binital migin do na kay na matim ni Nasinu.
They're about 10 meters out from Rewa's try line. Nasinu looking for the big push. The forward pack for Rewa holding, but these one-off runners, these big boys that Nasinu have in their forward pack are really making inroads throughout the game. The defense is held quite strongly, Rewa, but they are one man down, and there's an open side play for Nasinu and an opportunity to get over the try line. He's still held, but they're very, very close now. Nasinu with a chance to get the first try of the match. They're resetting their back line. There's a lot of space on the open side, but they're choosing to keep it in their forwards, Nasinu. Everybody's getting in on the push for a chance to get this first try for Nasinu in the first half. Rewa defense holding, but they're very, very close. I would say probably a meter away from the try line. And of course, now they're still going for the big push. They're giving it everything. All the forwards are involved in this one. Can hardly see the ball. The ref has to really look closely. But unfortunately for Nasinu, great defense from Rewa on that occasion, Koli.
Iya, totoo din na Vakarauwai ni tatang umagir tong grab tingon matim Rewa. Iya sa may ubutal nga Nasinu gori sa may yoti gori na matin ni mama.
So the ref is just having a chat, just making sure there's a few injured players. And of course, I think that try wasn't given. So yes, it wasn't given. Great defense to Rewa. And of course, unfortunate for Nasinu on that occasion. Both teams taking it to halftime right here. MaiTV bring you coverage of the Vodafone Vanua Championship. At halftime, Nasinu lead Rewa 6-0. Welcome back to the second half of this Vodafone Vanua Championship here at Marcelin Grounds in Vatuanga, as Nasinu with the early lead 6-0. But of course, Rewa coming with all the fight in the first half, Koli.
Iyo kanti na todo ko may baka ubang retong Manila ko ni gitu to tagaptum na matim Nasinu na bitan nagit sauti kapatalakin na matatim ni Rewa iya na matatim ni Nasinu redan to wandukan na matatim no tren na matay ni no to gitu kuko serangan do na kan levu ni score to may potamba ka iyo na to may shot ko na matim ni Rewa den reto ko na to sasanga iyo vinaka ni to may bang titigir to na ruang na tangge may to lutukin na nangono ko na ono siya ngati ko na matim ni Rewa.
Nice high hanging kick from Nasinu, and they get possession back. Unfortunately, no, Rewa up to it on that occasion. They're inside the 10-meter of Rewa with a chance to clear the ball. Breeze behind the back of Rewa. They get it between the... Oh, that's a big mistake from Nasinu. Allows the defense to get in there. He's deciding to run it on his own. That's a huge gamble, and it does pay off on that occasion. And of course now, looks to have been taken out. Ref says play on. Nasinu on attack, and now Rewa with possession. And there's a lot of space down the flank as Nasinu have... Ball goes out on that occasion. And of course the ref will have a quick chat to the linesman to see about that last challenge. Linesman said it was a clean challenge, and of course the player of the defender for for Rewa did not change his run lines, and that allows him to play on. And of course now, Koli.
Toto kan din na nailolo ning gitu kaya na sonang una enta na kapasonan rama men na sanga men na winita ka make na lewa may ko ya sulito kan lewa na lo Rara. Iyo toto kan din na naire ning gitu ta may garaba kaya nagkukawa toto ka paru birtong ko mati men Nasinu.
Nasinu with possession just inside Rewa's half. They're just over the halfway line. They've won the ball cleanly. They're looking for a set piece play, but it's a bit slow getting through the backs. And of course, they're looking for options on the other side, on the far side, where Rewa are one man down for the next couple of minutes. Nasinu really need to cash in on this opportunity. They're continuing to use their big forwards to run the ball up, and of course, look for opportunities on both sides. But that was a costly mistake from Nasinu on that time. Bit of rushing blood to the head, and of course, over-eagerness from Nasinu. And now Rewa with the scrum on the halfway, Koli.
Iya ko hindi na nanonood to tatang magimay na matitim ni Rewa rida nang unang ko ndabutong ko Leruwa ando dag mentua virtu na matitim ni Nasinu nakuko ni itu burto musulitong ko na matitim ni Rewa. Iya ando na kan norto na sasanga to ko na matitim ni Rewa meron ni ruto na buwan di tegir to may may baka nirto sa liuti ko nang unang ko na matitim ni Nasinu na ono kaysen.
Beautiful, beautiful sunny day here in Marcelin grounds, Vatuanga. Constitution Day, long weekend. Families and friends have all turned out to come and support these two teams. And of course, Nasinu with the early run of play. And of course, the big surprise leaders at the end of the third round of the Vodafone Vanua Championship. And now, unfortunately, an infringement from Rewa on that occasion, giving Nasinu an opportunity to get the early attack. They're just 10 meters short of their halfway line as they look for an opportunity to get the ball deep inside Rewa's half. And of course, build a set piece play. The line will be taken on the 10-meter line. Nasinu with the advantage. And of course, looking to run a set piece. The winger for Nasinu right out on the far side, unmarked. And of course, he's got speed as we saw earlier on in this second half. So we'll see how they go with their set piece. The lineouts haven't really gone the way of Nasinu. But of course, the breeze has something to do with that. And that's a good steal from Rewa on that occasion. Nasinu is still setting themselves up. And of course, Rewa now with the ball outside their 22 and a chance to clear their lines. Are they going to clear it? No, they're looking for runners. There's space behind the back line. And of course, they want to look for opportunities to take advantage. Even though with their one man down, get the ball away quickly. Unfortunately, on that occasion, it was just a miscommunication amongst the back line of Rewa. But good attacking options from Rewa. They know they're one man down, but they're not going to stop.
Iya kan din todo ko na matatim ni Rewa nanonood to tatang ko maki reda tu may na matin ni mama kaya patalaki na nagkaroon ni mama do na kan nakuko ni tatang ko maki do ta na matatim ni Rewa yo enariribi na kamerto na sangati ko merto na ko tatsi na polo merto na maingki tu tinga kina san no to Rara.
Early in the first half, and of course Nasinu with another attacking option, this time just over the halfway line inside the Rewa half. That was a good take that time, and of course, good solid run from the locks. Rewa tried to disrupt possession and get the ball. Ref says, no, don't touch that. Now here with their forwards once again, Nasinu trying to better their ram, better use the players as a battering ram to try and get over the Rewa defense. Now they're going for the set piece play once again. Oh, big man on small man. Big man wins every time. Takes 3 to take down the big prop Koroi. And of course, the Nasinu player looks to be severely injured. I think he's out for the day. They're going for the grabber. Nasinu attack, hot on it. And of course, Rewa defending that time. Ball still in play. But of course, the ref says no, it's a penalty to Nasinu. Player being taken out. As we see the Rewa defender who was trying to stop Koroi on that time. And of course, came out second best. And he doesn't look well at all.
Orita talaga no nandabo tungo kakapatalangan kina no sanga ko me tangko makano no dito may kon na no to prop na mata tim ni Nasinu orita no dito may bakasanga no relal nangoni kon na ilalo Hulk no sa di mo Hulk rong isota yo sa rauta me ndabo to kana durbo gori ni sota pa ng bimbi kakatuto may na durbo sen na prop ni mata tim ni Nasinu. That's
right, yes. Nasinu do have Hulk in their forward pack this afternoon, and of course the stretcher being called out for this Rewa defender. I think his game is done. He's done for the day, yeah. And of course, we'll have to give him every opportunity to get better. Medics doing their best to make sure that he's okay before taking him out for further treatment. But that was a good, solid run from Nasinu in that time, using their big man Koroi, that, or as Koli calls him, Hulk, to break through the defensive line of Rewa and, of course, set up the play. Give Nasinu every advantage, Koli.
Sanjena, toto kantina na loko ni gitu to garap tu mengo na mata tim Nasinu, kabatalan kina na mata tim ni Rewa na nono to tatang kumaki. Ya, na mata tim ni Nasinu nasasang malu to kono to barito na loko ni gitu to garap to mata ni mama, kabatalan kina karon ni mama go na nono to gitor wa malu to manapol, nono to sanga nono to mbitu to manapol, mer to men gitor tiko kina nono to ya sendrara.
As the Nasinu players come and check and to make sure that that Rewa player is okay. He's up on his feet. But I think they'll have to get him off for a concussion test just to make sure, just to be safe. Every precaution being taken by the Fiji Rugby unit to ensure player safety here in the Vanua Championship. And, of course, all levels of rugby. Player safety, the most important issue. And, of course, it's good to see him back on his feet. Yeah, then, of course, both teams Ulneviti from Nasinu telling him, no, you need to get yourself checked, brother. I mean, you know, we all want to play. We all want to make sure that we do well for our province and our state. But, you know, we got to, when you're injured, you got to get checked. What say, Koli?
Iya kan tinatuto ko weekend na ndong dito and ngito tigo nango bombota revinaka ndo tigo na yalo no sanga menda na matataka no matetimi yo ni tigo na mabo vinaka menda degu ke baka nda vinaka menambola bu nelo nandi gito na ve singa kensar.
And that was a really good call from the Nasinu Lock Uluniviti, who came over and just told him, you know, get treatment. You know, there's always next week. So, you know, your health is more important right now. And as we see Nasinu going for the points, it's been a arm wrestle. The first half, both teams throwing everything into it, looking to probe the outer flanks and, of course, give themselves an opportunity to set up points. And, of course, the defense for both teams equal, answering the question every time, not allowing them over the game line. So Nasinu opting for the 3 points and, of course, extending their lead over Rewa, which is a testament to Rewa's defense in the first half, Koli.
Iya kan tinatuto ko au por to may nanonoto ngito na matatim ni Rewa nang gito to porta na madaw sauti en nanonoto di pa katuna polo patalikin na vivo no so orto be tanga gito na polo sinure dito ko en singani ko yo may tagato ko matim na sinu kaya baka na turu na tangi gori en narani na kuta sara vivo anti tagi virtu na kenutukay en na diwa. Yeah, nagaibo na tangke,
Ulai has had a good first half with the boot. He's managed to get over 2 solid conversions, but let's see how he does on this side. Gets a nice high-hanging kick and, of course, gets it through again, extending their lead. Now Nasinu have a 9-0 lead over Rewa. And, of course, this is a testament to Rewa's defense, but Rewa really need to take advantage of the opportunities, Koli, if they are to have a good shot of beating this heavy-duty pack that Nasinu bring to Marcelin grounds, Koli.
Iya kan tinatuto ko ay awaro da kita tugur matatim ni Rewa herto na sanga kaya baka urto na pinakata merto na mbiutain do na pointi en na board en revinaka merto na wandi ta kanilo na gito kabatan lagi na merto na redelisuba nilolo na gito kartuang karabe na mata south.
Nasinu with possession just inside their 10-meter line, gives it back to the fly half. Koroi gets a nice high kick. He's chasing his own kick, but the defense for Rewa reads it well. They're probing the back of Nasinu, trying to get it. And, of course, he's calling for the 22. Get an all-important breather as the sun continues to really take its toll on the players here in the second half. And now, with a quick kick down the sideline, Rewa with possession over the halfway. Big man on little man. Good, solid tackle from Nasinu. Get their men down. But, of course, Rewa still with possession outside the 10-meter line. Bit of a fumble on that occasion. Ref says play on. He just lost the ball behind him. And, of course, good cleanup from Rewa on that occasion. A bit of a shoulder charge from the Nasinu defense on that occasion. And, of course, the ref calling it. Rewa back with possession. And, of course, looking to drive it through quickly as we have a Rewa player down injured. Nasinu's defense needs to reset quickly. Rewa back with possession. They're looking for one-off runners, trying to break the first tackle and get that offload. Unfortunately, the Nasinu defense reading well. Another penalty to Rewa outside, just outside the 22 of Nasinu. And, of course, player coming back on for Rewa on this occasion. And, of course, Rewa going for the 3 points. Koli, a good call here in the first half. Get points on the board.
Iya, totoo bukoti na nanuto bukoti lewan na matitim ni Rewa merto dange en itutungin gori. Meron ni irto bubutol makin doon kay meron di bukan titigir tuto ko. En ilolo ni gito ko karan merto nang kaysa sangat na lumini video na miniti meron ni irto na ngay sanga merto na rawat gina na nanuto inaginagi siya na karto pinakati merto may rawat ni sini ko sa ikuan ang
The fullback Ulai for Rewa steps up for this opportunity to get their first points on the board and in the second half. It'll be about 20 meters out from the goal post. Strong cross breeze, so we'll see how he goes. This will be his first kick of the match. Sorry, he's second. His first was unsuccessful. That was in the early stages of the first half. Ulai with another opportunity to get points for Rewa. It's a nice high kick. He's got the distance, he's got the direction, and Rewa on the board. 9 points to 3. Koli here in the second half. It's going to be a great game.
Totok ko kauti na dang herto mi taka na mata timi ni Rewa me baka oporta tiko kon na dang kisaranga kurto taka tiko ngon na wale ningito sen na kaberto awari taka tiko na mata sauti ke baka artu bondi taka tiko na ilako ningito ya en Rawa nirto na bondi taka na gito ni sigini ko.
Those 3 points for Rewa were very important. They needed to get themselves on the board to build up some momentum, you know, to get something for all the attacking prowess that they showed in the first half. And now Nasinu with the kickoff. Nice high hanging kick. Defenders from Rewa underneath it. There's a bit of a mix-up, but the ball does go back. Ref says play on. Manages to get the kick away. It's not going out. Nasinu Ulniviti gets the ball for Nasinu. But that's a good, solid tackle from the Rewa defense, holding him, not allowing him to gain any momentum. They're just inside the 22, outside the 10-meter line of Rewa Nasinu, but a bad call on that occasion. And now Rewa with a bit of momentum, Koli.
Iya kan dia natondo ko me pakangan kena sa kiting buti man gito ndo na kana kaukawan ni non to tata ko magito na matitim ni Rewa yo ena revina ka berto na sanga na sana kan total se ko na kena kauda kiting man pol kena to marvina man pol me raon nirto mengito to nga kena to esen Rara meran di bukan di tegirto en ngito kay Nasinu ni signi ko.
Rewa with the line out on the 10-meter line. They're still inside their half, but they go for the set piece. Good swing around and of course bring the forward fullback into it. There's a man on the outside. And of course he beats his defender. It's 1-on-1. He cuts back inside, but the defense for Nasinu gets there. Unfortunately, just put a foot on the outline, and it'll be a line out to Nasinu. That was a good set piece play from Rewa, Koli.
Wow, totok din na to. Ko tataka may na polo na tim ni Rewa. Iyo me bakang overtaka. Wagalilay wala nga. Ko wala nga nadalalay era ni may bobo na ken may kutelis talti gina na matitimi and buko ni non to ilok ni gito gravity ko ni sigani ko.
Sorry, my apologies. It wasn't a foot on the line. He had actually lost the ball forward. So sent the ball forward. So now it's going to be a scrum with Nasinu to feed. But Rewa with a bit of confidence early in the first half. Now Nasinu on the attack. They're just outside the 10-meter line of Rewa with a set piece play. First one of the second half. Their scrum hasn't been spectacular. And of course that one falls on that occasion. The Rewa scrum has proved to be a bit more powerful than Nasinu in this first half, Koli.
Iya kan dia natuto ko dari itu kan scrum kita nakatigo do nakanon to binarato man scrum ni Nasinu na matitimi ni Rewa. Iyo na bukungan ni gito kapatalakin na ilagalagan ni gito ko yo erto na matitimi ni Rewa erto na sanga merto na ko man polo ko Nasinu merawa ni erto na ko man polo merto na may gito to akin no to esana.
Nasinu with another reset scrum, and of course a chance to set a platform for a good solid attack, but they need to get the ball out cleanly. The Rewa scrum has proved to be quite powerful, and of course not allowing Nasinu to get clean ball out the base of the scrum and set up a platform for attack. As they try to wheel it around once again, pressure coming through from Rewa. That was a good hold and a good fade from the Nasinu halfback. He loses the ball, it's loose, ref says play on, ball went back. Nasinu with the overlap. They still have the one-man advantage. And of course the new man from Nasinu coming in on the outside flank. Ball gets loose. Looks for the chip. There's no defenders at the back. He does get an opportunity to get the ball, but that's a lost chance for Nasinu once again. Rewa back in possession, and of course a chance to clear their line. Rewa have reset. Nasinu's defense needs to get back and get organized. They have men falling back now, so there are people there to cover the ball for Nasinu. But that's a good high kick from Rewa on that occasion. And of course, now Koroi back with the ball, goes for the up and under. Good high kick, but the chase is a bit slow. Tacklers coming through. That's a good one-man tackle from Nasinu. They get there. Rewa needs to get players behind the ball, need to secure possession, and they're going to lose it. And yes, they have Nasinu with the ball, and of course the overlap. He needs to pass quickly. He goes himself, and of course, unfortunately, that occasion didn't know whether to pass or to go himself. And now Rewa back in possession, and of course, an opportunity to attack deep inside their half. The ref blows it up. Unfortunate on that occasion, Koli. Oh. That was so close. He's so but no.
Leka sa kaya mob. Yo narito ko nilang ngito ko may bakanin dang gito tiko lewe tin kalima. Kaya baka wala nga may baka sama na turboya may wasya na pol may baka nirtong gito patati ko nalun timi. Kaya rawan nirto ya to pasar na line ko. Yo may baka suporta tiko ko na malumululalay wala nga iron may baka mo na lang. Yo kaya baka iya pwesta na polo ya bombota era ni nakututal ni bukalilay sel manili tambag sa ranis ko kon non veitokoni na dorboya.
It happens everywhere, all over the world. When you get forwards running in open space, they don't know whether to kick, pass, or chip.
Yo, nang una ya, nang ibo to kinanon ta buko tilawa, naboto talaga kinanon ta baka sa ken dona kana nonra, ira nandun bitirin taki, kina kuko niya ngo patali kina na tuba kini baka sama, nang una ndendre, nguna sa kuko tu kina nagito, me baka sarangan ta renetiko, kena titi bagito na pula, me burto na matitim Nasinu.
As we get some cloud cover, and of course a break from the hot sun here in Vatuanga, and now Nasinu with a chance to put some pressure on Rewa with the scrum advantage. They're around just outside the 22 of Rewa, and of course their scrum hasn't been their main attacking weapon this afternoon. They've had to rely on their big one-out ball runners, which they're going for again, using players to just get the ball forward. But unfortunately, that was a penalty to Rewa on that occasion. The Nasinu player, there was some sort of infringement, Koli, and of course a penalty to Rewa, and now an opportunity for Rewa to clear their lines, Koli.
Berto mata tim ni Rewa na vinaka merto na mebakan ni levu anon to first patalaki no to halfback ndo na kana rangi vinaka tigo virau ke boga to na vinaka merto na wandi tigirto ni lolo ni gitu ko merto na rangi ta vina sarang mana polo merto main gitu tunga kina no to ya Rara.
Yeah, referees have come under the spotlight recently in of course our local rugby game, having to really put their foot down when it comes to discipline from the players, which is an important part of any rugby game. And of course now Rewa with a chance to clear their line and of course give themselves some breathing space between them and this big Nasinu attack forward pack that has been pounding on the Rewa defense for the best half of the first 40 minutes, Koli.
Iyo dari datungan nangong sa tiga mo ngolit ng main na oir na reserves sa tiga mo dagat tiga bisaw may bukan ni sanda dulu makatunggo na ikaroon ni Mama sana binaka me sana tiga mo eto tiga bisaw ken kau mai so na idingubo meron ni na mai titi baka tungan matatimi ken sangay merwati ng ganga na sigun ko.
Yeah, got to get fresh legs on the field. It is an intense game. It has been a great arm wrestle between these two teams looking for an opportunity to continue in the Vodafone Vanua Championship as they spread it through the back line. The Rewa defense not up quickly enough, but that's a good solid shot from Rewa on that occasion, stopping Nasinu in their tracks. But of course, Nasinu still with possession inside the halfway of Rewa, and another chance to attack on both sides. They go down the blind side, looking for runners with the first five. Koroi, he gets a pass, but of course, the Rewa defense reads it on that occasion. And of course, Rewa now with possession and the turnover and a chance to attack. The Nasinu defense needs to reset very quickly. Rewa have acres of space and lots of players to spare on the open side, but they choose to take it up through the forwards. And of course, the Nasinu defense is thick on that occasion. Nasinu's defense still hasn't reset, but Rewa haven't seen that. And of course, there's lots of space on the open side. Now the Nasinu defense has reset, and Rewa with the possession just on the halfway of Nasinu. Good solid tackle from the number 10 from Nasinu, but he gets up and goes again. On this occasion, there's lots of Nasinu defenders as they try and fight for possession. We got players lying on the ball. Ref says play on. Nasinu defense still there. Rewa looking for an opportunity to send in runners and of course break the game line. They're using their forwards to as much advantage as possible. Looking for the big men to take it up and of course get the offload going. Rewa need runners coming in from both sides, and the Nasinu defense is reading it quite well, but Rewa still making inroads into Nasinu's area. They're outside the 22 now. Both teams are fighting for the ball, and it's a penalty to Rewa. Koli, a sign that momentum has shifted from Nasinu to Rewa in the second half.
Iya kan din todo ko mebukan ni to sa to ko mai kina no to eseni Rara na tim ni Rewa virtu na tim Nasinu na talalay walang arto may takapoto ka kamay mo abo to ko kina sultel ko na to kina tim ni Rewa. Rani na bakit titigir to tala Rewa en tolutal na pointi may ko talaga mikir to kay kin ono diwa ke baka eduru na polo for metagitigur.
As the medics come to treat that injured Nasinu player, Rewa will no doubtly most likely go for the post and an opportunity to cut that lead down even further. As this game, it's going to be difficult for both teams to get some open running rugby, as there's a lot of disruptions, and of course both teams not allowing each other to settle into their rhythm, Koli.
Iya kan din todo ko. Iya rin dito ko na ilaglaw ng gito ko tutupa ta sartungan na non rumol mulo mo na timerwa. En bugo ni ken na ko da kutimana polo ko talanga mainden de talanga kin na meru tambang ka yang do na sko. Iyo nang onong ko waro meta sartungan ni gori na non to tutongi sen na tangi erto da kabro timba. Oy.
Oh yeah, sorry, my fault. I thought they were going for the 3-pointers. Rewa has decided to go for the tap and go, take advantage of the momentum. Let's see if it pays off. They have runners, they have possession, and of course they're looking for their big men to take the ball up and get the offload. Nasinu defense has reset. Options on both sides for Rewa as they try to get the first try of the afternoon. That was unfortunate. Knock on there to Rewa. A missed opportunity to Rewa, Koli. But of course now Nasinu with a chance to relieve some of the pressure.
Ya sebenarnya kaya nabuko ni tutong ang garabi ha kaya artuwa tangke na mata timin ni Rewa kaya rawan ni ambito talaga indo na point na kaya rutukay iyo nabuko ni pagkatilawa artong may tip tak na pula mbeba kambeka ni rutu tak na ngauna ani sa atong ko na kurbi mama tak nangauna rutu na sa ngamer rutu ng binya tutol na kaya rutukay meron ni rutu pagkati tigir to mertu rawatan ng gangga ni sino ko iyo may kaluta sara ni rutu pagkatilawa tala may tal tungaki na scrum en nangauna ko.
Nasinu been under a lot of pressure in the second half from Rewa, looking to move this big forward pack from Nasinu around and get them tired. And of course, it's working quite well and working in favor of Rewa. And of course, surprisingly, the Rewa scrum still holding Koli, not allowing Nasinu the dominance they had in the first rounds of the Vanua Championship.
Yo rito kan to nasa nanggo rito sini pang atag na to na matitim ni Rewa si merto wili kami naga ni rito bilir ka tigor to na scrum ni Nasinu kaya kartu kilavinaka ni bimbi to to food kaya nirto na tigor to na merto ka meron nirto rawatekina na ilati ni tatangumaki ni matitim ni Nasinu.
As we see now, Nasinu with the scrum, big push coming from Rewa, but unfortunately the ref will say we'll reset it. And of course, Nasinu have had a bit of a battle with the Rewa forwards all afternoon here in Vatuanga. And of course we'll have to reset the scrum. A lot of hands on hips from the Nasinu forwards. They haven't had the opportunity to really settle into their traditional style of play, using their big forwards to battle it up, and of course then unleashing their awesome backline. Rewa have kept them contained all afternoon. And of course, this is a defensive scrum for Nasinu. They need to get the ball in quickly and out because the pressure coming from the Rewa forward pack is quite intense. As we see the feed, but it's a free kick. Early push there from Rewa on that occasion. Bit too eager. And of course, he goes for the quick tap. Ulinviti goes on his own. He needs support from the rest of his forwards. They get there in time. They reset the back line for an attacking raid. And of course, they're inside their own half at this point, but they need to get possession down quickly. Goes for the chip between the fullback and the winger, allows the ball to bounce, which is perfect. And that's what you're looking for, miscommunication. But of course, the ref says play on. I thought it would have been a knock on, but there is play on from the ref. And of course, Rewa back in possession. Good crowd here for Rewa. Lots of support for this Rewa team as they try to get the first try through their back line. And of course, the forwards for Nasinu are there for defense. Now, of course, there are more defenders than attackers there, so they need to get some attackers there as quickly as possible. Rewa get the defensive line set for Nasinu. There's space in the middle here for Rewa to attack. And of course, they're taking the ball up nicely. They're earning meters, but they're doing a lot of hard work to get there. Their forwards are really having to work double time to get possession. As the ref says, it's a penalty to Nasinu for holding on. Koli, unfortunate for Rewa on that occasion.
Yo rede tu na hilo ko ni kito tu ko tu mana mati timin Rewa tu saya tu mai kena nur tu esen Rara yo tu sang wala nga di mo katul wa binaka tigo yo wala na mati Nasinu tu singa bukan tu ni rani laiba endo na ngauna merto na singa bote ken nur tu lai tin tatang kumaki me bakan nur tu na sanga merto na bukan titigir tu me bakan nir tu sa liu tigo na ngauna ko en diwa kay tolu.
This has been an epic battle from a Rewa team that has come prepared this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. They've left no stone unturned as they prepare to take on the top of the table Ramsami Nasinu side. They've not allowed Nasinu to settle into their traditional gameplay, and of course not allow the broken play that Nasinu is famous for to get into any sort of rhythm. And they've really kept a good account of themselves, keeping Nasinu scoreless in the first half. Only the 3 penalties giving Nasinu the slenderest of leads here in the second half. So this game is still up for grabs. Rewa, of course, looking for that desperate win in order to keep them in the Vodafone Vanua Championship. And of course, Nasinu looking to solidify their place at the top of the table as we move closer towards the quarterfinals in the upcoming weeks of the Vodafone Vanua Championship right here on MaiTV, bringing you coverage of the Vanua Championship for the first time ever as we are here in Vatuanga. Beautiful sunny afternoon on this Constitution Day long weekend, Koli.
Iya kan tina todo kalau ngata bali na mati timin Nasinu ni levu na daung kito na garangol itu may na club may na timin ni Newtown kartu mati na mati timin Nasinu nangonong ko kar sabi kilay binaka karani redan ni irto virongodi sarabi kilabina ka tumpu patamay nan dona panua kartu main gitu patalango kena matim Nasinu rena nangonongo nanto kuto pata na tatang maki kapatalan kena kau tu na polo to sang amber to litambak na squad and sikani ko.
Yeah, that was a bit of miscommunication amongst the forward pack and the back line for Rewa on that occasion. It was unfortunate, but crossing and, of course, shepherding was the call. Now Nasinu with the penalty just inside the 10 meter of Rewa. And, of course, we'll have to see what Nasinu will do with this as they want to try and extend their lead, but at the same time not allow Rewa an attacking opportunity. And, of course, now the ref is just telling both teams to take a break as he has a quick chat with the lineswoman and, of course, tries to find out if there was an infringement in that last play. I'm guessing there was a high shot that he ducked under the Rewa halfback. And, of course, we'll see what the ref and the lineswoman have to say about this. Looks to be a serious, intense conversation, Koli.
Iya kan dia na todo ko warito na nondo ngito na matitimin Nasinu dulu kan nondo may bukan dita to na nondo marobina na polo na nondo may ngito to na nondo Rara kina matimin Rewa libo nang nondo sa may to na nondo Rara iya orto ba ulel ta na polo kina opportunity iron nirto litambag kina na pointi meron nirto ba dita nirto na ngito ko.
So the referee is explaining what happened exactly. Yeah, I think it was a shoulder charge, and of course, okay, so Nasinu will be losing a player for the next 10 minutes. I'm guessing for the shoulder charge that this gentleman Joe did on the on the Rewa halfback, but I did think it was accidental. Both players are being sent off. So we have two players in the sin bin for the next 10 minutes for infringements in that last run of play. Of course, so we have three players now that are in the sin bin, Koli. So it looks to be a really, really full-on struggle.
Iya kan dia na todo ko may bakang dari itu kan nalilol ngito man matin bi mama kena karon bi mama ngo say katulon ni yellow card de soliti ko kena matitimi sa forta ko na malumo ni nondo to vital no patalan kina vital leso orto ka ba ko may baka tao tigo ni nondo to sa sanga dagiti kina nondo to lens ko iya nangono ko waram to tangiti kana matitimin Nasinu.
So we're just getting the confirmation. Yes, that was a shoulder charge and then, of course, a punch and that automatic yellow card for both players. So now Nasinu with a chance to extend their lead over Rewa with the penalty just outside about 5 meters outside the midway between the halfway and the 10-meter line. And, of course, this will be the most difficult kick for Ulai this afternoon as he's had a good time. He's had a good time with the boot so far, but this will be probably his biggest challenge of the game.
Kaya bukan kay duro talaga go intunan raw na pasede na raw na tanggi ko may natutungi kede so likin na matatimin ni Nasinu.
Takes his time, lines it up, got a nice high kick. I don't think it'll have the distance. Yes, it does, but it wasn't. Didn't have the direction that time, and Rewa with a chance to clear it. Looking for an opportunity to run the ball. Now they get the kick across, but it stays in play. Nasinu with possession. Options on both sides. Fullback for Nasinu takes a high hanging bomb. I think that player may have been offside on that occasion, but the ref says play on. The ball goes out, and of course Nasinu with the line out on the 10 meter of Rewa, and of course another chance to set themselves up for an attacking raid deep inside this Rewa half. But the Rewa defense has held strong this afternoon, Koli, not allowing Nasinu any tries so far.
Kan din natuto ko iyo endo na kan nago reda to kan na kukunita to makita kapag na matitimin Rewa kay nang gasang talangan ni nono to wili ko to nang gito na matitimin ni Juno nono to kuto mo malutong manapol may pagkanisa kukutyong na tatang maki orto sang me erto ko to manapol may tiko to nga na sa norto Rara meron nirto reda wala ka to nga nono to linis ko kapatalan kina na mata-mata.
The scrum and of course the advantage to Nasinu just on the 10-meter line of Rewa. This will be their first set-piece attacking opportunity of the second half for Nasinu. But they need to get the ball out quickly. They need to set a clean platform for the backs to attack. Rewa have not allowed the Nasinu forwards to set themselves up at any point of this game. They've really disrupted the ball. And, of course, now Rewa with the feed. Nasinu with the big push, trying to get it back to Rewa, but no. We'll have to reset as both forward packs came up on that occasion. Big scrum from Nasinu Koli, but of course Rewa holding strong and getting the ball out.
Kandi na tuto ko kau din na hilaw ni gito ro sulit ko na matitimin Rewa man matitimin ni Rewa na kuko talaga kinambimbi tingon to food iyo nangunang ko bobotan ni Rito ng Kito ko letin kawa na timerwa may baka ni raw yang tutuman na may natimi raw tiko baka tangitang ito kay tutumban nangunang ko.
Resetting the scrum again. Nasinu need to get the ball out quickly and clear that danger area. Pass was a bit high, but of course they're looking at running it, and of course they have the one-man overlap on the far side. There is a bit of space. Winger comes in, breaks the first tackle, breaks the second and the third. It's taking a lot to put him down. This winger from Rewa. They're inside the 22 now, Rewa. The Nasinu defense hasn't set. They need to get the ball out quickly, and of course Rewa with the advantage. Looks to be an offside advantage for Rewa on this as they take it down the wrong side, but he still has possession in his breaking tackles, unfortunately, on that occasion. We'll have to see what the referee says. Offside from Nasinu on that occasion. That was Rewa's best attacking opportunity of the half. As they have the ball, they take the quick tap. And of course, looking for the options on the open side. There's lots of space. They have men to burn on the open side if they can get the ball there quickly. Tap again from Rewa on that occasion, but a solid shot from the Nasinu fullback, stopping him in his tracks on that occasion. Big man on little man as they have the open side, but the defense for Nasinu reads it well. He's trying to fight to get over to the try line. He says yes. We'll see what the referee says. Koli, can you see the ref? What did he say? I don't think it's going to be awarded. The referee's taking both. I think he got a cross, Koli. What do you reckon? Try or no try?
Saan dyan haya? Abang buta sa square, ha?
Let's have a look. Yeah, the linesmen are coming in. It's Rewa's first try of the game. As we see the replay, he managed to get over. The defense for Nasinu on that occasion wasn't able to get there in time. And of course, Rewa now with the first try of the second half. And of course, this gives Rewa the lead. And of course, goes much to the run of play for the amount of pressure that they have put on Nasinu in the second half, Koli.
Ya kukundi na ilaw ni gitu orto por to mengo na matitim ni Rewa ka orto kilavinaka nang una ni sa tum na kribi mama sa na rebolak tang anyo tinagito ya orto may tambak rato kin durus ko ya may tangit tala polo duru ya nang ko sa na liutu kin na matitim ni Rewa liutu na matitim ni Rewa ko Nasinu.
The crowd finally into it. A lot of fans from Rewa come to support this Rewa team in their battle to stay alive in the Vodafone Vanua Championship, and they have the lead by 10 points to 9 over Nasinu, the slimmest of margins, but momentum with Rewa on this occasion as Nasinu trudge slowly up to the halfway for the kickoff. A lot of the questions that they have been asked, they've been unable to answer, and of course Rewa disrupting Nasinu's rhythm and not allowing them to settle into this game, and a much deserved lead for Rewa as we see Nasinu taking as much time as possible to get the kickoff going. And of course, this is allowing their forwards to get a quick break, get some rest, and of course, reset themselves as Rewa hold the lead over Nasinu. 10 points to 9, Koli.
Yo totoo din na ilaw lang gitu sa rabuti ko ya. Yo wana matitim ni Rewa nanuto sa sanga taga redeti ko ni bimbi na to nuto fo sa pataliki na totolo ni nuto backline nuto bang taga binasar apang buti ni nuto sangkay bitan lo sar tongkay tambak raki na square ya. Yo to sa tumayo ko na matitim ni Nasinu.
Momentum with Rewa on this occasion. As the defense for Nasinu gets across quickly. But you can see that momentum has shifted from Nasinu to Rewa, and they're eager to get the ball and attack on every occasion. But now the line out to Nasinu on the halfway line. As we see Nasinu, a lot of hands on hips. The players need to get organized. They need their captain. There's fresh players coming on for Nasinu. A lot of tired legs out there. They need a fresh injection of pace and power. Nasinu. And of course, regain momentum. And this is their opportunity. They're on the halfway line right now, just outside the attacking territory of Rewa. But the Nasinu lineout hasn't been effective this afternoon, as Rewa have disrupted quite well. And of course, Rewa get the ball back again, and they're on the 10-meter line of Nasinu. Nasinu's defense needs to reset very quickly. They look a bit shell-shocked, Nasinu, as Rewa start getting momentum. Player taken without the ball. It's an advantage to to Rewa, unfortunately. No, the ref says play on. Rewa still with possession on the halfway line. Defenders come across, but they're able to break through the first tackle. Rewa have done a great job of being able to break through the first tackle and get that offload going much better than Nasinu have this afternoon, as they have a big open side to work with and big players to get in there. Takes two to take that Rewa player down. Rewa still with possession inside the half of Nasinu, and there's a bit of an overlap. There's some space if he can get the ball away. Good defensive effort there on that occasion from Ulniviti of Nasinu, stopping it in its tracks, but they're outside the 22 Rewa, and they have possession, and they're looking for their big men to get the ball going, as we have a Nasinu player injured on the side. Nasinu are one defender down. Rewa with possession. He goes for the chip, and of course good take from Nasinu, and I think it'll be a yes. He did take it on the full, so he does decide to take the tap as the two injured players. We have one from Nasinu, one from Rewa being attended to. The ball still in play. Rewa with possession midway between the 22 and the 10. Gets the ball in, goes for the delicatesse of chips, and of course, unfortunately, no runners to come in and support that great kick. As we see Nasinu looking for space. There was space there between the wing and the fullback, and a good bounce for Nasinu. They have possession. He needs a support runner. He has the man, but of course the defense for Rewa gets in there. This is where Nasinu are really dangerous. Good attacking opportunity. Great bounce of the ball, and of course, awesome defense from Rewa. Koli.
Oh. Totokan din na ilago ni Qito ang garabi tu konta saraba tu nasi ni kuwa era mala unde o era nandun veitokoni mana tim rurua ena non ra reda tu na totokan ni Qito may porte tu sini kuwa ena tu susanga tu na tim ron ken sabuan di tegir tu ken tu kai ena tini kai diwa yo siang ni lele na tim ni sino non tu sanga merto na kota ka mena polo kin non tu lenis kuwa yo totokan din na ilago ni polo di diwa gitu may nangonay ando kay saraba tu naman na daba ena non butelo o ref ena ngono ko.
We've seen this on so many occasions from Nasinu in the early rounds of the Vodafone Vanua Championship, where they put in these probing kicks, allow the bounce of the ball to go their way, take advantage by having runners come in quickly. And of course, on that occasion, the Rewa defense up to it, but there is a line out, and of course, they are on attack Nasinu. They're just about 10-15 meters out from the line, but the communication in the line doesn't go well. That was a good hustle from Koroi, the first 5 for Nasinu, but the Rewa forwards pile in, get possession back, and of course now a chance to clear their lines. Nasinu's defense needs to reset. They need to have runners back to take the kick. Play on. Ref says ball bounces near the halfway. Nasinu with possession. Rewa defense comes up. The fullback opts for the chip and chase, but there are defenders there, players there with the ball. He gets the pass in nicely. Just the pass is not going to hand on that occasion. Line out to Nasinu, but this game really coming alive. Koli in the second half.
Totoka so itu kurang sekarang bubina mata tim ni Nasinu berto na tim Nasinu ke Vakarauwai na binakata merto na bukan titigir to na gitu ko merto na maroro binakasarang na polo me bakanir to satu ko to lain yer to sinikla da sinikla nangaw na yo mabuta berto na tim Nasinu ke Vakarauwai na kinta ba na to kau tu na polo sini ko merto na rida binaka ni sa erto to ko na sinendo to lenis ko kapatali kina na kena sa bola kataltung na may dapat ko na gitu ko merto na maroro binakasarang na polo. A lot
of personnel changes for Rewa. They've got a lot of substitutes on for this second half. Nasinu opting to remain with the majority of their forward pack. And of course, a lot of changes in the back line as well for Nasinu. As we see this scrum, Nasinu need a good solid platform once again to get the ball. They have advantage, but the Rewa scrum has been quite awesome this afternoon, Koli, not allowing Nasinu any advantage.
Kandi na todo ko na matatim ni Rewa may baka santa sarabatuk may na scrum kede do na kanang bimbir to solitu ko na matatim ni Rewa yo matatim na sinur to na sing ni biya ko suka en na scrum ko may baka nir to na kata merto na wanti tegir total ni lokalo ni Qito ko.
Nasinu trying for the push, trying to get an advantage. They got a good base, and of course now the backs go into their set piece move as they opt for the usual one-off runners to try and set it, but the Rewa defense up to it on that occasion. They get men behind the ball trying to win it back. Slow possession coming out. This makes it difficult for Nasinu to set a platform. As Koroi goes into play, first 5, and of course halfback at the same time. Nasinu reset once again. Koroi back at the first 5 playing at the halfback position as they rumble it forward through their big men trying to set another platform. We've got forwards amongst the backs. Ulniviti fighting once again as he does all game. getting across the advantage line, and of course now Rewa disrupting possession. I think Rewa have the ball. No, Nasinu have it. Ref says play on. They go down the blind side. Kroy, the first 5, jumps in, tries to take the ball himself, gets tackled nicely on the Rewa game line, but they still have advantage. They still have possession. They're about 20 meters out, Nasinu. As they reset for another maul, the Rewa defense holding, not allowing Nasinu to get past the advantage line. The one-off tackles from Rewa working very well. As we have a great crowd this afternoon, a lot of fans have traveled across the Delta to come and watch this game, Koli. Now they're swinging through the back line with a long looping pass. There is space for Nasinu, but of course that's a good tackle from Rewa. Now they're fighting for possession. Nasinu a bit skinny on that side, but they do get possession back. Ulniviti once again with a big shot from Rewa on that occasion, and he's lost the ball, and now Nasinu have to fall back in defense. Rewa have the ball. They're going to try and clear it. A lot of pressure coming through from Nasinu, trying to get the ball out. As the ball lands amongst the Rewa supporters, who are very, very happy with that defensive effort, Koli. I think Rewa did really well on that occasion despite the attack of Nasinu.
Yo, mebakangan na kauporta juga ngo ena nisa boleh kan may dapat ko nang gito ko sanggari to nang gito orto taka babati Northland na tim ni Rewang ko. Yo ke pakar to na pinakata merton na rota na ganga merton na pukan ditaga to orto na ilalo kan gito to taka pasal tungan nang unong ko meran ni irto na pati taka to na kair to may tara to nang unong ko ena tini kay Diwa.
As the Rewa fans are trying to fire up this Rewa team and hold on to this 1-point lead that they have over this much fancied Nasinu squad, who are coming in top of the table of the Vodafone Vanua Championship. And of course, Rewa fighting to stay alive and of course try and get a place in the quarterfinals in the next couple of weeks. As Nasinu have the line out and Rewa win it. Momentum well and truly with Rewa this afternoon as Rewa managed to beat the first tackle, and there is a penalty to Rewa. I think it was a high shot from Uliniviti on that time, on that occasion, sorry. And as you can see, Koli, Rewa well and truly have taken advantage of this second half.
Iya kan din nato ko may bakaw sa porta duga nanonoto sa puan tigir total di kumay en ilako din gito karto awarita ka pa naman tim Northland iyo en tangge may waromerto na takapo ke pakaya na duru sana ngay bakan de tigir to serangay nang gito en singa ko.
Rewa opting for the 3 points and extending their lead. This kick will be between the midway of the 10-meter and the halfway line. Kroy, the Rewa fullback, who's had an average game with the boot this afternoon, looking to extend that lead. He's going for the kick. Nice and high. Looks to be going through. Let's see what the ref says. No, just underneath the crossbar. But Nasinu under a lot of pressure. Throws a loose pass. The Rewa defense trying to get possession back. They're piling through the Rewa forwards. It's a high kick, but it's not out. Rewa still with a chance to get possession. And of course, man taken out in the air. That was unfortunate. Tempers flaring. Bit of a headbutt there from Rewa on the Nasinu hooker. And of course, a lot for the ref to dissect. But that, unfortunately, Koli.
Wow. Indon na gito ko din harto may bola kayo.
Tamani wo.
Tamani wo. Yeah. Yo, berto na mata tim ni Nasinu kaya pakaruto na pinakata murtal na panti tigir to merto na kuwa bakan to di bakus taka na polo. May baka ni irto sa wato tol to kaniko na mati tim ni Rewa. Yo berto na mati tim Nasinu merto ngulit mata na ngauna merto tagro malua na loko ning gito merawan ni na panti tigir to meran ni irto ko to may na polo kinon to ya Rara.
As we see the injured Rewa player getting attended to by the medics, the ref will have to really dissect this one. The linesman's walking in. What we saw was a player being taken out in the air, and then also a potential fight and a headbutt, Koli.
Iya kan todo ko yo nagkategori nagaypo katong sarang away ko na referee may nagasuli na butilawa e nabukin ni ka ayado dasaraba wakan din takasarang ay mata na butu.
Well, the good news is that the Rewa fullback is walking off the field of his own accord. Looks to just be a bad cut. He'll also get tested for concussion just to make sure. But he looks to be okay as we go back to the ref, who will have to dissect this one. And of course, he'll have a chat to the linesman. Tempers flaring. Nasinu getting frustrated by this Rewa attack, Koli, and I think that's the cause of this. And it's a red card. It's a red card to the Nasinu player. So his match is over. The prop for Nasinu, he's out for the rest of the game. For taking the play out of in the air. Of course, refs zero tolerance for that kind of infringement. That's a fair enough call. It was unfortunate, but rules are rules. As we have the referee now talking to the linesman for the alleged headbutt between the Nasinu and the Rewa player after the player was taken out. So we'll just see how that goes. So we're just having a chat to see what the damage is. Hush silence here in Vatuanga. That's also a red card for the headbutt. So Nasinu and Rewa will be without two of their key players here in the second half. I think a fair call from the ref, zero tolerance for any form of infringement.
Totokan na bukutilawa may warita ka na referee. Iyo Rua na red card, iyan daw kasi mataka tolu na yellow card sa soli, rutal na red card sa soli ko. Doon na mulmulumo ni nonruto reda na lolokan nito na siganikuha.
Nasinu desperate to get the points on the board. They need to get the ball in the other half of the field, so they opt for the tap and go as time is running out for Nasinu. They're really in for it. Rewa defense up, aggressive, fast, not allowing Nasinu pressure, but there's a bit of space for Nasinu on the open side. Defense gets clear quickly. They're on the halfway line now, Nasinu, but Rewa's defense holding strong. Momentum well and truly with Rewa this afternoon as they try to secure their first win in the Vodafone Vanua Championship. Keep their playoff hopes alive, Rewa. Nasinu with a chance to consolidate first place. They're hot on attack. They're looking for options. The defense of Rewa comes up aggressively, pushes them back another 5 meters. Nasinu on the wrong side of the half if they want to get the attacking ball. The ball goes out. We look at the referee to see what he says. It is a forward pass, and that's it. Koli, a massive upset here in Vatuanga.
Menggangga nama tim ni Rewa. Kau konti na ilok-ilok ni gitu, mau ibaratkan nama tim ni Rewa. Rawan di bukan di tegirito, enang gitu ni singa dikuah.
The Rewa fans are really happy with this performance of their team. Rewa keeping alive their playoff hopes of the quarterfinals with this all-important victory by 1 point over this much-fancied Ramsami, top of the table Nasinu side, bringing it an end. Have a great long weekend here in Vatuanga. Koli, great game.
Great game.